A magnetic knife block is a unique and modern way to store and display your kitchen knives. This is where our list of the top 5 magnetic knife block available for purchase this year comes in. As always, you can find all of the product links in the description below. And let us know which devices you'd want to see in our upcoming videos in the comments. Number 5. Home Kitchen Magnetic Knife Block. This magnetic knife block holder rack is made of high-quality stainless steel and features a sleek and minimalist design that will complement any kitchen decor. The magnets used in this holder rack are enhanced for maximum holding power, ensuring that your knives will stay securely in place. The magnets are also spaced out evenly, allowing you to store a variety of knife sizes and shapes. One of the greatest benefits of using a magnetic knife block holder rack is that it keeps your knives easily accessible, allowing you to quickly and safely grab the knife you need. Unlike traditional knife blocks, there are no slots or compartments to navigate, which can make finding the right knife a hassle. With the Home Kitchen Magnetic Knife Block Holder Rack, your knives are always within reach. Another advantage of using a magnetic knife block holder rack is that it is easy to clean and maintain. Traditional knife blocks can be difficult to clean, with slots and compartments that can trap food particles and bacteria. The Home Kitchen Magnetic Knife Block Holder Rack, on the other hand, is easy to wipe down with a damp cloth and will not harbor bacteria or odors. Number 4. HOMEKOKO Magnetic Knife Block. The HOMEKOKO Magnetic Knife Block comes in offering a sleek and space-saving solution for storing and organizing your knives. This magnetic knife block is made of durable and high-quality materials and features a minimalist and elegant design that will complement any kitchen decor. The double-sided magnetic holder is strong enough to securely hold even heavy knives, while the smooth surface prevents any scratching or damage to the blades. One of the standout features of the HOMEKOKO magnetic knife block is its double-sided magnetic holder, which allows you to store twice as many knives as a traditional knife block. The magnets are evenly spaced and distributed, ensuring that each knife is securely held in place and easily accessible. Another benefit of using a magnetic knife block is that it keeps your knives within reach, allowing you to quickly and safely grab the knife you need. Unlike traditional knife blocks, which can require you to search through slots or compartments to find the right knife, a magnetic knife block allows you to easily see and access each knife. Number 3. Kitchen 7 Knife Block. The Kitchen 7 Knife Block Magnetic Knife Holder is a sleek and stylish solution for storing and organizing your kitchen knives. Made of 100% pure bamboo, this large-capacity knife organizer block features 18 powerful magnetic boards, providing ample space for even the largest knife collections. One of the standout features of this magnetic knife holder is its double-sided magnetic boards, which allow for maximum storage capacity. The magnets are strong enough to securely hold even heavy knives, while the smooth surface prevents any scratching or damage to the blades. This makes it easy to see and access each knife without the need to search through slots or compartments. The Kitchen 7 Knife Block Magnetic Knife Holder is also a great way to display your kitchen utensils. The double-sided design allows you to showcase your knives and other kitchen tools, such as spatulas and whisks, making them easily accessible while adding a touch of style to your kitchen. In addition to its practical benefits, the 100% pure bamboo material used in the Kitchen 7 Knife Block Magnetic Knife Holder is eco-friendly and sustainable. Bamboo is a fast-growing and renewable resource, making it an ideal choice for environmentally conscious consumers. Number 2. Aniking Magnetic Knife Block. The Aniking Magnetic Knife Block with acrylic shield is a modern and stylish solution for storing and organizing your kitchen knives. Made of natural acacia wood, this knife storage organizer features strong magnets to securely hold your knives in place, while the acrylic shield provides an added layer of protection and safety. One of the standout features of this magnetic knife block is its transparent acrylic shield. The shield provides a clear view of your knives, making it easy to see and access each knife without the need to search through slots or compartments. The shield also adds an extra layer of protection, keeping your knives safe from dust and other contaminants. The Aniking magnetic knife block with acrylic shield is designed to accommodate a variety of knife sizes and shapes, making it a versatile option for any kitchen. The magnets are strong enough to securely hold even heavy knives, while the smooth surface prevents any scratching or damage to the blades. Number 1. Navaris Wood Magnetic Knife Block. The Navaris Wood Magnetic Knife Block is a versatile and practical solution for storing and organizing your kitchen knives, scissors, and other metal utensils. Made of high-quality bamboo, this double-sided wooden magnet holder board features strong magnets to securely hold your knives in place, while its compact size makes it a great option for smaller kitchens. One of the standout features of this magnetic knife block is its double-sided design. This allows for maximum storage capacity, providing ample space for all your knives and other metal utensils. The magnets are strong enough to securely hold even heavy knives, while the smooth surface prevents any scratching or damage to the blades. This makes it easy to see and access each knife without the need to search through slots or compartments. The Navaris Wood Magnetic Knife Block is also a great way to display your kitchen utensils. The compact size and sleek design make it easy to showcase your knives and other metal utensils, while adding a touch of style to your kitchen. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.